Hello everyone. Today I've got another tutorial for you. This is regarding about Windows Update. Windows updates, well, they're essential to keeping your operating system up to date so that all the latest bugs and fixes are addressed. They come directly from the Microsoft server, and they are done automatically. So what happens is that since they are automatic, you'll start to realize that your overall network speed and your CPU bandwidth starts to deteriorate, and becomes really slow. And that's mainly the primary reason or the driver behind why people want to disable the Windows Update. Well, without further ado, let's dive in here. So you want to click on the bottom left-hand corner of this Windows icon here, and then you type services. Okay, so once the services comes in, you want to filter based on names. Okay, and you go all the way down. They are in alphabetical order, and look for Windows Update here. So double click this guy. So over here you want to put as disable, and recovery you put it as take no action and 0 days. So Windows Update, this is a service that actually updates your operating system. This is the main one. You realize that I didn't stop. What I'm going to do is I'm going to restart the computer once all these are done. So the next service that you want to look for is called UpdateOrchestrator. So they are in alphabetical order. UpdateOrchestrator here. So double click this guy here and disable this guy too. So this one is responsible for looking for updates on the Microsoft operating system, server, and downloading it into your computer. So over here, take no action as well, 0, and hit OK. So you'll see this is disabled. And the third one is background intelligence transfer service. Go all the way up. This is B. Background intelligence. Okay, this one here you have to take it with a grain of salt, right? As you can see in the description, there's various other processes or system actually depends on these services. This one here, I would only disable it if all else fail. All the steps here that I'm going to outline today, if none of this works in stopping your Windows Update, then only then I will disable this. For now, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to let it run. Okay, so once this is done, I'm going to close this services windows. The next thing you want to do is edit your Windows registry. So we want to hold Windows but key and press R. It gives you to a run window, and type regedit, just like that. So once you enter that in, you want to expand H key local machine. Then you want to go software. Then you want to go policies, and you want to go Microsoft. Okay, and then you want to go Windows. Then after that I'm gonna go to Windows Update. Then you'll see AU, and under the AU you want to go to AUOptions here. So AUOptions, you want to double click it. It will bring you this pop-up window here. So the 3 means something. I think 3 means to update automatically. I think I'm not too sure, but 2, you want to change this to 2. What 2 allows you to do is when there's a latest update, they will say, hey, do you want to download an update? They ask your permission before they do anything, right? So we click OK. So this should change to 2. So once that's done, you want to close this, right? The third thing that you want to do is you go in here, click this guy again, and you type task scheduler right here, and you want to open this guy here. Open this guy here. So there's two scheduler that you want to look for. So I'm going to expand this guy here. So you go task schedule library here, Microsoft Windows. Okay, so under Windows it comes up here. Okay, if you expand the tree, you're going to go all the way down. They're in alphabetical order. So go Windows Update, click this guy here, and you'll see maybe there might be a few on your side. What you want to do is you want to go here and you want to disable all this, each individual task, right? So here you go, action. So you see automatic here. I'm going to expand this guy here. Automatic update, this guy here. So you select this and then you disable it. Then you go to schedule tasks, schedule start, and you disable it. So you're going to go and disable all of them because they pertain to all Windows update. As you can see, they're all for Windows updates, right? So you want to disable all of them. Okay, once that is done, the next thing you want to look for is Update Orchestra, this guy here. So this one here is a search party for Windows Update, for lack of a better word. The one that you want to disable will be this guy here. Disable. Okay, once this is disabled, the rest of them don't really work because there's no updates. There's no need to reboot, right? So you can actually disable all this too if you want, but I'm gonna leave mine as it is. So once that is done, okay, then I'm gonna close this guy here. So you're almost done. Okay, the last one applies to if you have Windows Pro. I have Windows 10 Pro, so it's applicable for me. So it's something to do with group policy, right? So on your command prompt, type gp edit, as in group policy edit. Oops, sorry, not here. Here, you type gp edit. Okay, it's an app that launches on Windows 10 Pro operating system only. So you want to expand, go to computer configuration, followed by administrative template, then followed by Windows component. Expand this guy here, and then you want to look for Windows Update here, right? So over here, we're looking for configure automatic update. Okay, if you double click this guy here, yeah, that's right now it's not really configured, which is okay. But if you want to force them to say disable, you're gonna have to do this. Just to explore, if you click enable here, you can actually do a lot of things, different things like notify. This is the same thing that we did with Windows Registry, right? But over here is another layer for Pro version of the operating system there. So I'm gonna go here and disable this guy here. You can actually read what each of them stand for. Okay, so say OK. So this will show as disable. And once that's done, close this guy here. Okay, so you have done all the steps that you have to do to disable Windows Update. So the next thing you have to do is restart your computer. And once you restart your operating system, the Windows Update services, everything is stopped. Well, I hope this small little tip will help you speed up your computer and cause unnecessary network slowdown and CPU bandwidth usage. Anyway, have a good day. Bye.